Hey, it's Hannah Taylor, and this is my overview for Enhancement 8. So I'm on the home page now, and when I click on any category, it brings me to this products category view using the name value pair. And when I click on it, it brings me to the product description page using a name value pair and using the ID. It pulls up all the description information. And when I resize this, the layout changes from 2 columns to 1 column, just so it's easier to view in mobile and the text is large enough. And if I just were to go to any page, you'll see that it pulls up the description information just like that. I don't know how many of these you need me to click, but here I am. So yeah, everything is functioning the way that it should with the description coming up using the InvID. And then when I go to validate a description page, no errors or warnings, and CSS, no errors. Great. Thank you for watching.